people post about everything, where you eat, what you do. It's very easy to kind of track somebody just based on what they put on their social. I think actually a lot of it is your phone number, your address, your face. I mean, photographs. The whole idea is it's very plausible. It could happen, that kind of
The
thing.
current situation actually.
And that's, and I think in the last just 5 years, technology's changed so much. Whether it's AI or we give away so much information, and there is a lot in our own hands. So whether it's and essentially,
So congratulations, ma'am, for your book. So how was your experience at the World Book Fair?
amazing.
Okay. So I read this book and few questions. I really take it.
Right.
So the concept of online game
Right.
you mentioned in book.
Right.
So in there any real incident or the trend you follow writing this
I
plot?
think actually a lot of it
Mhm.
is the whole idea is it's very plausible. It could happen, that kind of a thing.
The current situation actually.
And that's how, and I think in the last just 5 years, technology's changed so much, and there is a lot in our own hands. So we use it without realizing, whether it's AI or we give away so much information, whether it's your phone number, your address, your face. I mean, photographs.
Obviously.
And essentially, people post about everything, where you eat, what you do. It's very easy to kind of track somebody just based on what they put on their social media. That's basically where it is.
Okay, so ACP Karan Singh and Anaya come from a very different world.
Yeah.
Law enforcement and the TV production. So, how did you write these two specific characters?
So I thought that even though they come from very diverse backgrounds, they both also have jobs that require them to observe, and also they cannot be in a rush. And so it's the long game that both play, and they're never in a rush. I think that's kind of what interested me, and basically it was the observation of situations and looking beyond what's very obvious. That's what.
Okay, so describe Mataji as the manipulated character.
Yeah.
So, why you choose this the mother figure type of character for this dark and the creepy character?
So as you'll read, Mataji, when she actually appears, you realize she's not actually so
Dark
dark
and
and
creepy.
creepy. She's pretty young, and somebody we would relate to, and very easy for people to approach, and good looking also. Let's put it like that. And young. This is the strange bit of it, because I feel it's very strange that people start putting faith in not themselves but in others, and also how people want things resolved. ये हो जाता तो अच्छा होता, ये हो जाता, and वो हो जाता है, then your faith increases. That's the basic
आई
premise.
थॉट कि मदर फिगर आपने इसलिए इस्तेमाल की कि आज का करंट सिचुएशन भी वैसा ही है.
I know, but I wouldn't want to go in that. But you're right. It's very easy to be taken in by somebody who builds your faith. So, and the game kind of is manipulated so that she can build faith.
So my last question was, your book mentioned the digital footprint.
Yeah.
So what's the reader take away from this book as a safety of his own as a digital fight?
Oh, there is so much to take away. In fact, until the book was released, I had my digital footprint was virtually zero. And is of course, don't share your location when you taking pictures. Also, ensure that the location is off. Don't give away so much. If you're traveling, don't share it immediately. Do it later.
Yeah,
But even there, I can see a trend. I know where you go. I know what to do. So if one wants to, a lot of that information can be shared. So I think also
We
more
have to do
face-to-face
something, yeah.
interactions rather than digital. So
Thank you so much for
thank
giving
you
your
so
valuable
much.
time, and it's really nice to meet you.
Thank you.